Vicente Olea of Sitio Cabuglo, New Agutaya, San Vicente, Palawan, active church leader of Plaintiff UCCP in the UCCP local church at San Vicente, extrajudicially killed by military agents on November 23, 2004. Avenue Abe Sungit of Suangan, Quezon, Palawan, active church leader of Plaintiff UCCP in the latter's program for the indigenous people in Palawan. Extrajudicially killed by military agents on February 5, 2005.
Alden Advida of UCCP, Bacong Silang, Caloocan, active UCCP leader, provincial coordinator, Bayan Mona, Eastern Samar, ambushed and wounded by military agents on April 9, 2005. Alfredo Davis of Barangay Molina Mahat, Blanc Leyte, active church leader, Plaintiff UCCP in the UCCP local church at Malagpag, son of former chairperson of Eastern Visayas Regional Pleasant Alliance, extrajudicially killed by military agents April 15, 2005.
UCCP Pastor Edison Lapos of Bethany Hospital Compound, Real Street, Tacloban City, Conference Minister or Head of Plaintiff UCCP's Northeastern Leyte Conference and Chairperson of Karapatan for Eastern Visayas, extrajudicially killed by military agents on May 12, 2005. UCCP Pastor Raul Domingo of Barangay San Jose, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan, Plaintiff UCCP's Deputy Conference Minister at Palawan and Chairperson of Karapatan for Palawan, extrajudicially killed by military agents on August 20, 2005.
Junico Halim of Calaran, Misamis Occidental, active church leader of Plaintiff UCCP and municipal coordinator of Bayan Muna of Calaran, Misamis Occidental, extrajudicial killed by military agent on December 6, 2005. Nestor Enrique of Sitio Kabangahan, San Roque, Mabini, Bohol, active church leader of Plaintiff UCCP, church person of local UCCP church at Mabini, Bohol, and chairperson of Hugpong sa mga mag-uuma sa Mabini, extrajudicially killed by military agent on March 7, 2006.
Rodel Palting of Tayabo, Pantabangan, Nueva Ecija, active leader of UCCP local church at Pantabangan, abducted, illegally detained, and tortured by military agents on May 22, 2006. Noel Noli Capulong of 134 Elepano Subdivision, Calamba, Laguna, active leader of UCCP local church at Calamba, chairperson of Calamba UCCP's Christian Witness, in charge of UCCP's Community Ministry Program for the Industrial Workers in Southern Tagalog, and of its environment advocacy movement. Southern Tagalog Deputy General Secretary of Bayan Muna, extrajudicially killed by military agents on May 27, 2006.
UCCP Pastor Janias Tinambakan of Lopez Haina, Misamis Occidental, resident pastor of the UCCP local church at Calaran, Misamis Occidental, active leader of Kapatirang Simbahan para sa Bayan, provincial chairperson of Bayan Muna for Misamis Occidental, extrajudicially killed by military agents on May 9, 2006. And UCCP Pastor Marilu Tinumbakan of Lopez Haina, Misamis Occidental, Conference Minister of UCCP's District Conference for Northern Mindanao, active leader of Kapatirang Simbahan para sa Bayan, ambushed and wounded by military agents on May 9, 2006.
UCCP Pastor Andy Pawikan of San Jose, Nueva Ecija, plaintiff UCCP's licensed pastor, extrajudicially killed by military agents on May 21, 2006, of Tayabo, Pantabangan. Ruel Marshall of Pantabangan, Nueva Ecija, active leader of UCCP local church of Pantabangan, abducted, illegally detained, and tortured by military agents on May 22, 2006.
Madonna Castillo of Pichage, Isabela, active UCCP leader, founder, and organizer of the Samahan ng mga nagkakaisang magsasaka ng Pichage, a farmers organization in Isabela, Anak Tawis Isabela, spokesperson, extrajudicially killed by military agents on July 20, 2006. And Raymond Guran of Aquino Bulan Sorsogon, active UCCP youth leader, leader of the League of the Filipino Students, extrajudicially killed by military agents on July 31, 2006.
UCCP Pastor Billy Austin of Salona, Melapas Norte, UCCP Order Pastor, chairperson of Bago Alianza Makabayan for Ilocos Norte, ambushed and wounded by military agents November 9, 2006. Renato Pacete of Digos City, Davao del Sur, active leader of UCCP local church at Digos City, provincial coordinator of Anak Province, Davao del Sur, Secretary General of Nagkaisusang Mag-uuma sa Davao del Sur, extrajudicial killed by military agent on March 2, 2007.
UCCP Pastor Berlin Guerrero of number 9 Canluran Road, College Los Baños, Laguna, UCCP licensed minister, Secretary General of Bayan, Southern Tagalog, abducted, illegally detained and tortured by military agents on May 27, 2007. Ruel Muñazque o Poblasyon Plaridel, Misamis Occidental, active UCCP leader, UCCP Community Development Leader, organizer o Bayan Muna, abducted, illegally detained and tortured by military agent on October 24, 2007. UCCP Pastor Filomeno Catambes o Barangay San Vicente, Mahaplag, Leyte, UCCP ordained minister, extrajudicially killed by military agents on January 23, 2008.
UCCP Pastor Rodel Camilla of Mayagay, Sampaloc, Tanay, Rizal, UCCP licensed pastor tortured by military agents on May 6, 2008. Ronald Radic of Sitio Tamusi, Talalag, Santa Catalina, Negros Oriental, active leader of the UCCP local church at Talalag, Santa Catalina, active leader of the Talalag United Farmers Association in Negros Oriental, extrajudicially killed by military agents on January 30, 2009.
Pwede ko ba i-declare itong lugar na ito, especially this one, as a tree of justice? My friends, as Becca will sing, may I ask you, as you hold on to the ribbons, the red and the white ribbons, we want you to place that ribbon dito sa mga branches nitong tree of justice. So tulungan na lang, kasi baka hindi abot.